Okay, so here is the chaos of our mornings. We wake up, we come down, we let puppies outside. First thing, while they're outside, I clean up the mess from overnight. And then they come back inside and have breakfast and play. So right now we have all 3 litters out and able to play. Abby has the diaper shirt on because her puppies are weaned and we don't want them nursing off her anymore. So she has the shirt on so she can still play with puppies, cuddle with puppies, but they can't nurse. Breezy's puppies, hey Breezy, she's fed them this morning because they are only 5.5 weeks old and don't need to be weaned just yet. A few more, another half a week or so. The only thing with Breezy is I have to watch her now to make sure that Abbey puppies don't try to sneak a snack, which they will do from time to time. And then over here is Cayenne, who's cleaning out the puppy food dish. And those are Cayenne's puppies having their morning breakfast of the canned food, which they are absolutely loving, as you can see by the nearly empty dish. There's 5 of them, and Rusty is out here playing somewhere. So, Cayenne, oh yes, there's Rusty. He's underneath the chair, on the little dog couch, having a good time. So, this is Abbey with her puppies. Orange collar is Illusion. And then you'll see Malibu. And then red collar is black girl is Edie. So little white collar dark chocolate is Kit Kat. This is Lola. This is what they're eating now. They're eating the dry kibble, but I add some moistened, some of the canned with water added, moistened to make it like a gravy, and then give it to them to eat. Under here is Twix and Hershey, which you can barely see because they're so dark, and Pepper just went under there. And hey, Chico, no eating off Breezy, no. Okay, so there is Rusty playing. This is Carmel, very flashy liver pepper girl. Cajun is the liver pepper boy cleaning out the food dish. He loves his food, for sure. And that is Chimera, the other dark liver pepper girl, just running back towards the water dish. And who else? This is the blue collar, black and silver boy. We call him Colton. And Micah is trying to get some more food from Mom. He figures the snack bar is still open and it'll be good. And now we have, this is Mia, who's helping Cajun clean out that food dish. I guess she figures he can't do it by himself, so she'll give him a little hand. Hey Twix. Illusion. Yes, pretty girl. Hello Chico. Sneeze, sneeze, sneeze. Oh, don't go in that water dish. Ah! Close. So yeah, now we get to the fun stage where all the puppies can come out and play together. Play with each other, run around, chase. Cayenne's puppies are still a little bit young. They're not very quick yet, but they're getting there, and they can hold their own with the bigger ones. There's Chico. That's Lola and Mia. Good puppies. And there's the dusk, and this is Twix. Hey Twix. Breezy is so patient. She's trying to eat and everybody else is trying to get their head in there too. They figure if Mom's eating it, it must be good. Edie? Hey, yeah. Breezy, don't let him eat. Don't let those Abbey puppies sneak a snack. They're sneaky. Good girl. Nope, leave it. Leave it. Chico. No. Good puppies. Look at the toy. Here, look. Illusion. No. No. Good girl, Edie. Rusty, happy boy. Yes, good girl, Illusion. You decided to give up and go back to bed, have you? Breezy went to check on the noisy ones, Lola and Mia in there. Malibu! Puppy! There you are, good girl. Hi, pretty girl. Now Breezy's going to play with her babies. Or at least one of them, Mia. Rusty, you're so funny. Hi, Happy. Oh, sure, just run right over Kit Kat, why don't you? Oh, and now Edie is going to help Cayenne's puppies finish off that food dish. You are making lots of noise. That's it, Twix. You tell her. You tell him. Yeah. Oh, gosh. You guys are hilarious. Malibu and Pepper facing off. There's Pepper. Malibu, you're bound and determined to get a rise out of your brother, aren't you? Rusty, you're going full throttle. Wow, what a good boy you are. Mia and Kit Kat, look at you two. Oh, and there goes Pepper. Yeah, you'll have a hard time keeping up with that one. He's twice your size. Yes. And there's Twix chewing on Breezy. Breezy, you're such a good mommy. Yes, you are. You're such a good mom. Who's chewing on my shoes down here? Hershey. What do you think you're doing? Oh, Abby's hiding under the chair. And some of Abby's puppies are still helping with that food dish. Hello, Illusion. Hi, sweet girl. Hi. No chewing. No bite. Licky, 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 no bite. No. Good girl. You're very smart. That was Malibu. There's Lola. Figure there's got to be some morsels in here somewhere. And that's Micah. Right next to Lola. You can see how small the Breeze puppies are and how big Cayenne's puppies are, because there's 2 weeks difference between them, and Cayenne's puppies are already bigger than Breezy's. But 4 Breezy puppies will be about 8-9 pounds, and Cayenne's puppies are going to be probably 13 to 15 pounds, somewhere in there. Hershey, Rusty, lot of action happening over there. Run, 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 play, 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 play. Oh, and there comes Pepper and Malibu again. Those two just like going at each other. So there you have it. There's our morning chaos. So they will all play like this. We have about an hour, roughly 45 minutes to an hour. Abbey puppies will play the longest. Cayenne's puppies are already, some of them already gone back to bed. And then they go to bed first, then the breezy puppies will settle down and go to sleep, and the Abbey puppies will be last because they're the oldest. But there you have it. Puppy heaven. Having a good time. Making lots of work for me, but it's lots of fun.